ready to declutter your closet and make a difference. Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to donate your gently used clothing items at Goodwill and support your community first. Gather all the clothes you wish to donate. We're talking shirts, pants, dresses, shoes, belts, the whole shebang. Now comes the crucial step. While you're on the sorting process, make sure your items are clean, dry, and in gently used condition. Think, would you give this item to a friend? Stains, rips, or excessive wear and tear might mean it's time to toss it, rather than donate it. Goodwill typically accepts clothing, shoes, accessories, household items, and even electronics in working order. However, policies can slightly vary. So it's best to check your local Goodwill's website or call ahead to confirm what they're currently accepting. This can save you a trip. Once you've sorted everything, neatly fold your clothes and pack them into boxes or clear plastic bags. This makes it easier for Goodwill employees to handle and sort through your donations. Using clear bags also helps them quickly see the contents. Time to head to your local Goodwill donation center. You can usually find donation centers at the back of the store in designated areas. When you arrive, a Goodwill employee will often assist you with unloading your donations. Don't forget to grab a donation receipt. This receipt can be used for tax deduction purposes, so keep it in a safe place. By donating your clothes to Goodwill, you're not just decluttering, you're helping fund job training and placement programs in your community. Your donations help people learn new skills, find employment, and ultimately improve their lives. So, next time your closet feels a little too full, remember the power of donating to Goodwill. You're making a difference one item at a time.